Hey guys, it is Kevin here in Beijing, walking with the family on a rainy Sunday morning, and we're trying to find a Japanese butcher shop. We live near the Japanese embassy, so there's a pretty big Japanese community in the area, a lot of Japanese restaurants. Of course, as you know, we're coming here from Japan, so we're just, out exploring and seeing some of the things around our, not quite our neighborhood, but nearby. The police car. I love these little kind of homemade vehicles. This guy getting in the action. Oh, there's another 7-Eleven over there. Finding a few 7-Elevens today. There's a sign over there that says beer garden. Nice. It's pretty chilly today, actually. It's 16 degrees Celsius. That's a cool car. This Camaro. Just rocket. China Tobacco. Smoke shop. Here we are. This famous dumpling restaurant. Look at these colorful dumplings. Dumplings galore. Wow, look at that. That's what? Who knows? But it looks all really cool.
I want to eat it.
It's all stuff you guys will like, so our first time here, so we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into, and we've ordered too much food. So we're getting stuffed on dumplings, and we still have a chicken dish to come, which I think I'll be taking care of mostly, and bowls of rice. Good stuff. These are amazing. So delicious. Yum, yum, yum. How was it, Kai?
Yeah. No food. No.
So we just finished eating at the Bao Yuan dumpling restaurant. That's still a little bit Flora, the Bao Yuan dumpling restaurant here in Beijing. It's quite famous. It's in a lot of guidebooks, sort of English and Japanese guidebooks, and it was fabulous. The food is great. We definitely ordered way too much food, so this was a learning curve for us. Next time, when we're definitely coming back, we'll order less food. Kind of felt bad. It was motanai. We weren't able to eat everything, but good stuff, guys. I recommend. So we just got out of the restaurant. We saw here there's a Korean samgyetang restaurant, and then we found another Jenny Lou's, so another import shop. We went to one a few weeks ago, a different location. This one's closer to where we live. We're gonna go check it out. Jenny Lou's import shop. Hey guys, so that's it for another video. We did some shopping, ate some food, had some good times, and now we're off to do some more shopping and then head home. So check out the links below, guys, to my other social media. Follow me on Twitter at JLaneKev. Follow my education Twitter at MadForMaple. And again, there's more links below.